middle seat's like my worst.
That's my worst nightmare is the middle seat.
Alright, let's go explore.
So, oh wow, I look rough. So, we're gonna try an authentic Philly cheesesteak.
Then we're gonna
in
try
Philly.
that cheesesteak place down there.
Probably.
Don't tell them.
Oh man. That tastes good. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since 7 a.m. It's now 3 p.m. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it is good.
We were like,
Just start venturing and walking because we really don't know what we're doing or where to go. So we know we're about an hour walk away from the Museum of Art where the famous Rocky running up the stairs is.
The Rocky Steps.
It literally would be like a 10-15 minute drive, but why do Uber right now when we can just walk and explore a city? So the halfway mark is the Liberty Bell, so it's a 30-minute walk there. So we just started walking towards that, and then from the Liberty Bell we're gonna walk to this statue. But as
First, we're gonna try some lavender coffee.
Oh, yeah.
I thought lavender was like a plant.
So basically, no, we're still explaining. So as we're walking, we're realizing we went through this like, we're going through these little tiny suburban, like, what would you call them? Like these little markets. There's meat markets, fish markets, fruit. It looks like a flea market. It went from, it looked like Little Mexico. It was Mexican, and then it evolved, and now we're in the Italian area. It's called the Italian market. So now we went from like a dominantly Mexico area. Now we're in the dominantly Italian. And we found this really cute hipster local coffee shop, so we're supporting their business, and we're trying out their coffee. I was craving a mocha or caramel, but they have this flavor, lavender flavor, and I don't know how I feel about it, so we're gonna try it.
I thought lavender was like a flower.
I know. I was picturing purple. When she said lavender, I was like...
As long as it's creamy and tastes like coffee. New city, you gotta be adventurous. First react.
Whoa. Okay, when you first have it, it just tastes like plain iced coffee with milk. But that lavender hits you. It's an aftertaste. It
Gimme.
Oh my god.
Your germs are my germs.
Oh.
Whoa, there it is.
Yeah. It almost tastes like Listerine.
Sort of.
It's like someone blended up a flower.
Or it's like yeah, exactly. It's very floral. It's like eating a.
What?
It's herby.
This is so weird.
It's like it doesn't make sense. It's like it shouldn't have. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible.
It's just it's different.
What? The coffee is amazing.
It's like what?
That's actually
I
really
can't put
good.
my finger
My
on
tongue
like
on- my cardigan.
Stupid songs at work all the time.
Philly's very New York rustic. It reminds me of Savannah, Georgia.
Yeah.
Ironic.
It's more like definitely not Lower Manhattan. It's definitely different than that. At least the part of the city that we're in right now, because we're not downtown really. More like neighborhood.
I feel like we should come down here for coffee. That's
more
really
like-
good coffee.
It's more like the Bronx.
Yeah, I'm getting a heavy Bronx feels. Like the people are very Bronxy, it seems. Very, very
Everybody's been
Brooklyn
really
Bronx.
nice.
Everyone's been nice. I mean, we've only talked to 2 people, 3 people, maybe 4.
Some guy was like, "Wow, dude, nice camera."
Oh my god, I didn't explain. Yeah, so
And the Uber guy was nice.
the Uber guy was like, "Are you a content creator?" And I'm like, "Yeah," because
You're
I'm
all humble about it.
I'm very humble because I'm a small YouTuber. So it's like if you look me up and I'm like my small count of subscribers, I get embarrassed. But he subscribed. So if you're watching this, you're really cool, dude. Alright, on to the next adventure. Thing we stumbled across. I don't know what it is, but it's art. What would you say this is, like downtown or something? We just still don't know where we are. But it feels and looks like New York City. That's all I know. We literally YOLO'd this entire thing, so none of this was planned. None of this was thought out. Oh, we're in City Hall, so we're literally in the city of Philadelphia.
250美国历史上的重大事件紧密相连，但现在它在使用多年之后，终于下一世纪又有断裂。这
Where's the off
1846
button?
年经过最后一次。
Mama ain't got no more.
So we got to Liberty Bell, except it's in this building that they close off to the public after 5, and guess what? It's 6.
Oh yeah, there it is.
I can see it.
Is that a reflection or is that it?
I don't know. Either way, it's behind us. So we're taking a break, but we are on our way to the Rocky Stairs, which is at the Museum of Art, and then halfway there is that notorious Love statue.
Sounds lame.
I don't know, but we got more artifacts to see. Is that right? I'm exhausted. Again, 3 hours of sleep. We traveled today.
Yeah, we did the same thing in New York.
I know.
We went so far the
We
first
walked
day. I'm like, no.
For hours on end. We're pooped. But it would be like $12 to go 2 blocks. So we're just gonna walk the 45 minutes. So see you on the flip side.
Yeah,
The sun may set.
Suck it up.
My phone's gonna die. Liberty Bell. Oh shit, my hand's in the way. That's the Liberty Bell. We gotta figure out where we're going first. I think we go down here, maybe? I don't know. Bushy, 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 bushy.
So much history.
We are here and we need to get all there. The sun is setting and I'm exhausted. Cody is that blue dot. We're almost to the Rocky. Literally, I think we're gonna actually have, when we finally get to that Rocky stairs and go up those stairs, it will literally be a genuine Rocky moment. There she blows. Thought this would never, thought I would never make it. The Rocky thing iconically the last thing, and we have this beautiful view of the city right now. Let me just show you. Wow. Yes! I'm just happy we made it. Now I'm happy. Is that mold? I don't know where Cody went. I'm a little scared. I wanted to get out of the car and I'm like, you know what? Impromptu photo shoot. Seize the day. But yeah, I felt like I was getting a lot of looks too. Until I realized we're gonna leave. And I cried. Thanks guys for watching. What a great way to end this.
Louis, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci,